Have you ever cooked a dish so light, so clean, and so nourishing that it feels like a reset for your entire body? What if I told you that today's recipe is one you should be eating again and again? Not just because it's delicious, but because it truly supports your health. Hello and welcome to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen, a place where real food meets real well-being. Today I'm making one of my favorite everyday recipes, lemon garlic roasted asparagus, fresh, vibrant, and full of life. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new healthy recipe. Let's slow down and cook something beautiful together. This is what we're creating today. Tender asparagus with lightly crisp tips, warm garlic, fresh lemon, and a clean, natural flavor that feels both comforting and energizing. Simple food, done with intention. For this recipe, you'll need 250 grams, about 9 ounces, of fresh asparagus, about 1 bunch. Trim the woody ends so every bite stays tender. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 2 cloves of garlic, finely sliced or minced. Not overpowering, just warm and aromatic. Half a fresh lemon. We'll use both the zest and the juice. Salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. Optional but wonderful at the end, a touch of grated Parmesan or chili flakes. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. A hot oven is the secret to perfect roasted asparagus. Place the asparagus on a baking tray in a single layer. Drizzle with olive oil and gently toss. Make sure every spear is lightly coated. Add the garlic, salt, and black pepper. Don't rush this step. Even distribution means even flavor. Now, zest the lemon directly over the asparagus. This releases fragrant oils that stay bright during roasting. Roast for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on thickness. Halfway through, gently shake the tray so the asparagus cooks evenly. You're looking for tender stems, slightly crisp tips, and a soft golden color. Once out of the oven, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top. This final touch wakes up all the flavors. Finish with a light sprinkle of Parmesan, or chili flakes if you like heat. Serve immediately, as a side, a light lunch, or alongside grilled fish, eggs, or quinoa. It's elegant, effortless, and deeply satisfying. One serving contains approximately 120 calories, 9 grams, 0.3 ounces, of healthy fats, 3 grams, 0.1 ounces, of protein, 6 grams, 0.2 ounces, of carbohydrates. Asparagus is rich in vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants. It supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and helps your body naturally detox. Olive oil nourishes the heart, while garlic supports immunity. This is food that works with your body, not against it. This is the kind of recipe you come back to. Simple, honest, nourishing. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, please subscribe to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen, hit the bell, and share this recipe with someone who loves real, healthy food. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video.